it's Bijal here and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about this makeup look that I have created. It is a very easy summer makeup look. This makeup is very lightweight, so it's appropriate for summers, and it's a very simple look with very minimum products used. So yeah, without wasting more time, let's get started. I've already done my skincare and primed my face before starting with the makeup. So I wanted to tell you guys about this one step that I have added to my skincare. Like every time I do my makeup, I do this for sure, and that is applying a sheet mask. So I have been loving this Mamaearth Cocoa Sheet Mask these days. This is a bamboo sheet mask with coffee and cocoa. Mamaearth is an Indian brand and it's a plastic positive brand, which means that they recycle more plastic than what they produce. So that is something that I'm always in support of, and since it's an Indian brand, my support always goes to Indian brand. And also their products are very natural and very soothing for the skin. I have been loving their other products as well, and since the time I started using this, I am feeling that there's a difference in my skin. You can see that there's a glow on my skin which was not there earlier. This sheet mask really brightens up my skin and it gives like the glow from within kind of a feel. So I really like this one, and as always, this is paraben free, silicone free, it is dermatologically tested, and it suits all skin types. Now this is priced at 149 rupees, which I think is a little expensive for a sheet mask, but you can always get this on discount. So yeah, I really like the sheet mask. And also they have started this initiative wherein every time you make a purchase from their website, they will link your order to a tree that they plant, and they will send you the name of the plant, the species, and the exact geolocation, so that you feel connected and you feel that you are doing something for the environment as well. So this initiative is something which I really like. Now the reason why I really like this sheet mask is because during summer especially, my skin becomes really dry. My skin is already very dry, but it feels more dehydrated and dull during summers, and this sheet mask really helps me. So I usually complete all of my skincare, and in the end I apply this before applying my sunscreen. So I apply this sheet mask, leave it on for 10 minutes or 15 minutes, and then I remove it, and after that I just massage the remaining serum on my face, and then I go on with my sunscreen. So I have been really loving it, and I want you all to try this product. So if you want to purchase any of Mamaearth's products, you can go ahead and purchase from their website, which is mamaearth.in. and if you purchase directly from the website, you can use my coupon code, which I'll put down here and also in the description box, and this will give you 20% off. And if you don't want to purchase from their website, you can purchase from Amazon, purple.com, Nykaa, and yeah, so all the links will be placed in the description box. So yeah, now let's move ahead with the makeup. I'm starting off by applying my concealer as an eyeshadow primer. This will help in my eyeshadows popping up, and also it will help them stay for a longer period of time. Now taking my wet beauty blender, I'm just blending it all in so that I have a smooth finish to lay my eyeshadow. Using this fluffy brush, I'm gonna take this peach shade and this light brown shade. These are the two shades which I'm gonna use today, and I'm applying it all over my lid. Now taking that darker shade on a flat brush, I'm depositing the color near my lash line so that it gives a good ombre effect from dark to light. I've applied the same shadows on the other eye as well, and now I'm just blending in to make sure everything is perfect. Now I'm applying the concealer on my under eyes, and you can see immediately that the dark circles are covered, so the eyeshadow pops really well. And now I'll just blend it in with my damp beauty blender and make everything seamless. Applying a lighter concealer so that I can highlight my under eye area, and it brightens up the face and gives a lifted eye look. I'm gonna set it in with my compact powder, and you can also use a loose powder, but I like to use my compact powder, and this will also give me some coverage. So this is what I'm gonna use all over my face as well. I'm gonna skip a liquid foundation because it's summers and I don't want it to be very hot. I prefer powder foundations during the summers. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just applying it with a fluffy brush, and yeah, that's gonna be it for my base. You can see that just the compact has given me such good coverage. So now moving on with contour, I'm not gonna do a harsh contour, just doing light bronzing to add some color to my face and add some dimension. I'm going very light handed and I don't want it to look very harsh. Applying that bronzer on the outer parameters of my face as well as applying it under my chin to cover that double chin that you just saw. Now taking this blush, I'm just gonna apply a very little amount on the uppers of my cheek. Again, as I said, I want it to be very light and very daytime wearable. I don't want it to be very harsh. So applying the blush on my nose, my chin, and also on my forehead, that gives a very complete look. Now taking the highlighter, I'm gonna apply on the usual places like my cheekbones and also on the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, my chin, forehead, all the places that require a good highlight. I like to go subtle with my highlight as well. I don't want it to be extremely shiny because I'm just gonna go out, and anyways I would sweat, so that would add to the shine on my face as well, so I don't want to look like a disco ball. Coming back to the eyes, I'm just lining my eyes with a kajal, and then I will smudge it out with that same dark brown that we took for the eyelid. That gives a very complete look for the eye. I really like that effect. So yeah, taking that same brown on a flat brush, I'm just gonna smudge it out on the outer 3/4 of my eye. I'm not gonna take it completely inside. So that looks really good. Now taking that golden color, I'm gonna add it to the inner corners to brighten up my eyes and make me look more awake. Now taking that mascara, I'm just gonna apply it on my lashes and give it a good voluminous look. I don't like to apply false lashes again because this is a very simple look and I'd like to keep it that way. Now finally completing this look with a nude pink lipstick, and it's my go-to, and I really like a creamy lipstick during the summers. I don't want my lips to be chapped and dry, so I avoid liquid lipsticks, and this is what I prefer, but you can go ahead with liquid lipsticks if you like that. Now setting up that makeup with a setting spray, and yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna use my makeup sponge to blend everything so that it all comes together and looks seamless and flawless. So yeah, that's it with this look. I'm done, and how's it looking? I really like it, and this is something that I would prefer going out just for the daytime, and something that I would wear with my friends when I'm going for lunch. And yeah, that's it from this look. That's it, I'm done with this makeup. It's such a simple yet elegant look, and you can add a little bit of glitter and make this like a nighttime look, or you can just wear this during the day. It is good for offices, or it is good for when you're going out with your friends or going for lunch. So I really like this look, and it is just a simple look because you have just used 2 eyeshadows, and this you can use any color and create a different look using this technique. So I really like this makeup, and especially it's very good for the summer. It's very lightweight, so I don't need to worry that my makeup will melt in this heat. So yeah, this is what I really love doing during the summer. This is my easy peasy summer look. So if you guys really enjoyed this video, then do give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, give it a big fat thumbs up, and yeah, also hit the bell notification button, and I'll see you next time. Bye.